Hey everyone, Day Sports Cards here, back on the break. Today, I'm doing 3 hanger boxes of 2019 Panini Prizm basketball. If you guys have not seen my blaster box break yet, I definitely want to go check that out. Let's see, how many cards are actually in here? Holy cow, does it not actually tell you? Oh, it 20 NBA trading cards. There you go, right in front of my face. Unwrap hanger box exclusive orange ice prisms. I want to say these are $14.99 each. Look for Zion Williamson rookie prisms. I actually got these as part of the buy one get one half off sale that's being run at Meijer. So yeah, let's see what I can get. Oh wow, that's a really hefty wrap. I think they're in there just kind of loose. Oh man, I'm failing at this. I'm used to the really thin plastic that Topps uses. Yeah, here we go. The cards are just, yep, in a little pack here. Ben Simmons on the front. I think this is only the second basketball video I've ever uploaded to my channel. I enjoy collecting rookie cards and looking for Zion and some others. I know I'm looking for Zion, and I think his name is Ja Morant. I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it, but I am struggling with this. There we go. Let's just open that up. Struggling severely. There we go. Alright. Hanger number 1. Oh, lots of nice color in here. Alright. What do we got? Ben Simmons. Face. Pascal. Yep, that guy. Victor Oladipo. Jahlil Okafor. I know that name. Jabari Parker. Justin James, rookie. Kobe White, rookie. Chris Paul. And a silver. Wow, that's a nice silver. Wow. LeBron James, silver. Very nice. Little, just touch off center, not too bad. I've seen way worse. Oh, wow. That's cool. Wilt Chamberlain. Wow, haven't heard that name in a while. Wilt Chamberlain, green. Followed by Marc Gasol. That's pretty cool, Wilt Chamberlain. I like that. Marc Gasol. That's one of the oranges. Robin Lopez. These are really sweet, like a cracked ice orange. Tracy McGrady. And again, if you guys will have to tell me if I hit any good ones. Drew Holiday. So these are really nice looking. PJ Washington Jr. Instant Impact insert. NBA finalist Kobe Bryant. Emergent. That guy. Luka Doncic. Base. John Collins and Gary Harris. That's a nice LeBron. LeBron Prism, silver. Wilt Chamberlain, green. That's pretty nice. Then the oranges, I'm not sure if any of these are good or not. You guys will have to let me know. I don't think these are numbered. No. No, pretty cool. Yeah, I one thing I really do like about Panini is I really do enjoy their parallels and stuff. I think they do a pretty nice job with parallels. There we go, that one a little better. Alright, second hanger box. Oh wow, there's a hit in this one. Oh sweet, okay. Yeah, hits aren't guaranteed in the hanger boxes. So that's pretty cool. Now let's see if I can open this. Trying to be careful with them. There we go, that's a little better. That one a little better. Alright. Jonathan Isaac. Giannis, yep, I'm not going to try that last name. Emmanuel P.J. Washington Jr., rookie, not sure if that's a good one. Miles Turner. Keldon Johnson, rookie. Winslow. The relic, I might as well just get right to it, because why not? It's actually, that's really cool looking. Alexander Walker. Not numbered. But that is a cool looking parallel relic. That's cool, I didn't know they had these. Pretty sweet looking card. Kevin Porter Jr. Silver. Rookie. Off center. Not sure if that's a good one or not. Kevin Porter Jr. Like, I don't follow basketball. I know Zion Williamson and like one other name to look for. That guy. Green. Alright. Nick Claxton, rookie. Orange. Kevin Garnett, I know that name. DJ Augustin. And RJ Barrett, rookie. LeBron James, NBA finalist. DeAndre Hunter, immersion insert. And there's a backwards card in here. Darius Garland, why is that backwards? I think there's variations. Yeah, I wonder if this is a variation. Usually if it's backwards, it's a variation or an autograph, so it's obviously not an autograph, so I think that's a variation, so possibly a Darius Garland rookie variation. Which again, I'm not sure if that's a good name or not. You guys will have to let me know. Nikola... Yeah, that guy. Marcus Smart, base, and Steph Curry. Alright. That was actually a pretty nice, that was a really nice hanger box there. Nice orange, what do they call them? Orange Ice Prizm Relic, followed by a Darius Garland variation, or what I'm assuming is a variation. Sorry if that was pretty loud in the camera. I'm sure it was. Alright, third hanger box. A little stuck in there. Set that up to the side real quick. I still have 14 cello packs to open. Here we go. The third. Third hanger box. Alright. Murray, Bryant, Gasol, PJ Tucker, Tyler Hero, her hero rookie, Thaddeus Young, Kevin Porter Jr. rookie. I don't think any of these were rookies. No. Eric Bledsoe. Silver. Darius Garland. Oh, okay, there we go. So yeah, that kind of confirms that one is a variation. So there you go, Darius Garland variation followed by now of Darius Garland silver. Little off center, not too bad. I've kind of have noticed some lines on the back from when it was packed out. Dennis Smith Jr., that's kind of the problem with Chrome cards. Green. Terrence Mann, orange. DeAndre Ayton, orange. Rudy Gobert, orange. And Jackson Hayes, rookie, orange. Not sure if any of those were any good. Darius Garland, instant impact. Romeo Langford Emergent insert. LeBron James Get Hyped insert. Bridges, Batum, and Larry Johnson. Alright, so there you guys go. That is 3 of the hanger boxes. I think I did pretty good. Like I said, I don't really know all the names to look for. I did get a couple of rookies here in the oranges. These are really sharp looking, really nice looking cards. 3, I did get 1 green per. Dennis Smith Jr., Shy, yep, that guy, and Wilt Chamberlain. I know Wilt Chamberlain, so that one's pretty cool for me. I don't know him personally, obviously. Darius Garland, silver. Kevin Porter Jr., silver. And nice LeBron James, silver. Did get the Darius Garland variation. And also, this is pretty cool, the Orange Ice Prizm Relic. Not numbered. Thought it would have been numbered, but not numbered. But it's still a pretty cool card. Sensational Swatches. I'm assuming it's Sensational Swatches. But yeah, there you guys go. 3 hanger boxes. I think I did pretty decent. Of 2019 Panini Prizm Basketball. Thanks for watching, everyone.